Understanding the phrase, hard-headed, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, hard-headed. Whether you're an English learner or just curious about language nuances, you're in the right place. We'll explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples to help you understand this phrase better. So, let's get started. Hard-headed is an adjective in English, often used to describe a person's character. When someone is called hard-headed, it means they are stubborn or unwilling to change their opinions or beliefs. It's important to note that this phrase can have both positive and negative connotations, depending on the context. Understanding the origin of hard-headed can help us grasp its meaning better. The term combines hard, which conveys firmness or inflexibility, and head, symbolizing the mind or thought process. So, someone who is hard-headed is seen as having a mind that is not easily changed or influenced. To fully grasp how to use hard-headed, let's look at some examples. 1. Positive connotation. In negotiations, her hard-headed approach ensured that our interests were protected. 2. Negative connotation. His hard-headed refusal to listen to advice led to many mistakes. 3. Neutral context. Being hard-headed can be an asset in situations where one needs to stand firm. Notice how the context determines whether hard-headed is seen positively or negatively. Understanding synonyms and antonyms can also enhance your grasp of hard-headed. Synonyms: stubborn, obstinate, unyielding. Antonyms: flexible, open-minded, compliant. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and use of hard-headed. This phrase is a great example of how English can use physical attributes metaphorically to describe personality traits. Keep practicing, and you'll soon be using hard-headed and other similar expressions like a native speaker. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.